In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom tools within n8n for AI automation. We'll be diving into how you can leverage the flexibility of n8n to define unique functionalities that your AI agents can utilize effectively. This is a fantastic way to enhance your workflow and enable your AI agents to perform tasks more efficiently. Let's begin by adding an AI agent node to your n8n workflow. This node will act as the main hub for configuring your AI agent and its associated tools. Think of it as the command center from where all instructions and functionalities are managed. Setting this up correctly is crucial because it forms the foundation of your AI automation process. Once you've added the AI agent node, the next step is to configure it. Start by defining a system message. This message should be clear and concise as it instructs the AI agent on its purpose and how it should interact with the various tools you've set up. It's about setting the right context and expected behavior for your agent. Following this, connect a chat model subnode, for instance, the OpenAI chat model. Here, you'll configure it with your API key and the model of your choice. This chat model acts as the brain of your AI, executing tasks based on the instructions it receives. Additionally, you'll want to take advantage of the memory feature. This is particularly useful for conversational agents, as it helps them recall information from previous interactions, making for a more cohesive experience. Also, don't forget to set up your output parser. This will help format the AI's responses, ensuring that the output you receive is in the desired format, whether that's for reading ease or for further integration in the workflow. Creating custom tools is the next step. For tasks that involve interactions with external APIs or web services, you'll utilize the HTTP request node. This node allows you to define the necessary requests and efficiently handle the responses. A useful tip here is to use expressions to dynamically infuse data from your workflow into these requests, making them more versatile and adaptive. If you need to process more complex logic or custom data, the code node will come in handy. With this node, you can write custom JavaScript or Python code that performs specific functions, returning the processed results to your AI agent to act upon. This is particularly beneficial for handling specialized tasks that are beyond standard AI capabilities. Finally, remember to leverage n8n's extensive array of existing integrations. These pre-built integrations can seamlessly connect with various services, allowing them to serve as tools for your AI agent. For example, integrating with a spreadsheet service can automatically update data based on AI outputs, keeping your system synchronized and up to date. By following these steps, you can significantly boost the capabilities of your AI agents within n8n, tailoring them to fit your specific automation needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your AI workflows.